Hello, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will show example the grid view example of Android. What is grid view layout or grid view? Android grid view show item in two-dimensional scrolling grid, row and column. And grid item are not necessarily predetermined, but they automatically inserted into layout using list adapter. When we will set data in list adapter, git view automatically insert is git view. So now we will show the example of grid view. Here is the grid view 12 item. This is row and this is column, and this is 3 column. We have defined the column in grid view layout. So now we will see the real example. Here is the grid view. Here is the ID and grid view column can set like column with 100 dp, and we can set the number of column. Here is the we set the three column, and we can set the vertical spacing, horizontal spacing, also the is gravity. So here is the grid view layout, and now we will set the git now we will set data from activity. Now we will go to the main activity. Here is the git view, and we get git view by find by id. This is the git view id is git view dot set adapter. Now we will create the git view adapter name is image adapter. I have created already image adapter. Here is the image adapter. Here at first I have defined the array, and this array I have set the 12 icon or 12 image it take from the drawable image 1 image 2, and also the image 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the 12 image, and I have set it in array. So adapter is a get count array dot length, and here is the adapter view. In adapter we will show the image, and image view set the resource, set image resource, and every adapter and the loop is going, and then adapter one by one image take by adapter and insert to the git view. Here is the adapter set the all image by adapter, and this image adapter set in git view. Now we can run our project. Here is the our output. This is the 3 column git view. We can sense the column. We can set the 2 column. We can run again. So here is the two column also scrolling. Each row showing two column. If we want to show the one column each row, so we will change the number of column 1. This is the number of one column. Now we will set the column number 4. So it's showing the 4 column each row, and also each column image we can set the height. Here is the column width and column width. Here is the 100 dp. We can set the 150. It will be more large the image. So some image large from small to some large size 150. So git view we can define the number of row or the is column, and we can set git view data from adapter. Thank you.